Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our virtual tour from Pusat Kajian Halal University of Muhammadiyah Profesor Dr. Hamka or UHAMKA. Established in 2018, Pusat Kajian Halal UHAMKA or PKHU is dedicated to be one of the Halal Science Institute in Indonesia. UHAMKA is one of the Islamic universities in Indonesia, always consistently integrates every value in the Al-Quran into teaching and learning process. Therefore, PKHU is founded. As halal is one of the obligations in Islam, this institution is founded to support the halal system in Indonesia. We have a halal laboratory facility that is located in the Faculty of Pharmacy and Science UHAMKA. Our missions are to examine the halal authentications of sample product that coming either from industry or consumer and conduct halal study and research. We also do community services related to halal and do a socialization of halal in the community. In Indonesia, Muslim is the majority. Halal is becoming one of our necessity in the daily life. To differentiate between halal and non-halal, we need to certify the product. In order to certify the product, we have to identify the halal authentication via many approaches and methods. Here, in the halal laboratory of PKHU, we conduct such kind of examination for halal identification based on the DNA approach. Halal laboratory facility in PKHU is divided into two main areas, the office room and the laboratory room. We do many administration processes in the office room. If samples are coming, the customers need to submit and sign some information in the submission form. Next, we have laboratory room. The laboratory rooms are divided into preparation room and analysis room. In the preparation room, there are some equipment. The DNA samples are usually extracted using a kit. In this identification process, we usually use primer DNA of the pork that already being included in the kit. In this video, we would like to examine the halal identification for medicines like tablet samples. Medicines are pharmaceutical products consisting of active ingredients and pharmaceutical ingredients. Both have a critical point of halal, which can be coming from emulsifiers, coloring agents, flavoring agents, tablet fillers, sweeteners, solvent, and other materials. In this experiment, a person's DNA of tablet will be analyzed. To begin the protocol, first, you need to green tablet and weigh 20 milligrams of sample in a mercury tube. Then, you follow the protocol steps that you are using for DNA extraction. After you have finished the DNA extraction, you should go to the qPCR steps. Before that, you need to add qPCR reaction mix to the DNA sample. DNA quantity can be detected by real-time PCR or qPCR. The analysis is done to provide the data for DNA identification. If the sample contains DNA porcine, the peak will be found. The results are reported to supervisor or PIC of sample investigation.
is mandatory in Islam. Because of Muslim is the majority in Indonesia, that's why the need and the demand of halal product as well as halal certification in Indonesia are increasing year per year. And by doing such identification and authentication of halal from many samples from industry and also society that coming into our lab, as well as we also do some community service related to halal. We also conduct study and research in many aspects of halal area. So we, Pusat Kajian Halal UHAMKA, commit to provide and support the halal system in Indonesia. We have many members that divided into many divisions in which each division is responsible to do their job. We do really hope that our program and our activity in Pusat Kajian Halal UHAMKA will give a lot of benefit to Muslim society in Indonesia. If you interested to do some collaboration with us, please contact us in Pusat Kajian Halal UHAMKA. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.